Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka court admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka Jinghikai. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka District Mission Coordinator SSA West Jantehel Sakandro Trikujiliu Arajar Alpusan, kelas dangi ke program Jinghikai, kerpang Khynnah Kynthei, kumno Ïada Ïalade, naki Riew Shim Kabu, kablatip kum ke self-defense training for girl students. Kani ka Jinghikai kane lai banai Kynthei, nakabenta ke South League School hapo ka sor Juwai, bekinthop ka RC Eve mi Mintdu UPS SSA, Panaliar SSA UPS, Thalabo Presbyterian UPS SSA, QC Springside UPS but Panaliar UPS SSA. Shua ka Jinghikai klaran ka jingalang lingkot blapenya de ka kong baya hunlang pawa assistant teacher RC Eve mi Mintdu but layo ka jingbatay syapang ka self-defense training no maalan Nyangti, President ka West Jantehels Karate Do Association, but nakakong Sam I Naki Warpasa, member West Jantehels Karate Do Association Juwai. Hakanigaski, kidikot ka West Jantehels Karate Do, klapani hapadang Khynnah iki buat kilat kumno Ïada Ïalade, habadan ki beri betemu bantombor yaki.
To defend ourselves, especially.
We have two enemies. First enemy, spiritual enemy. We have spiritual enemy, the devil. The devil, the temptation. Someone tempts to do something wrong. We have to say no. You have to defend yourself. No, I didn't want. To be clear, suppose someone asks you, let's go and drink. That is a kind of spiritual temptation. Will ask you, let's go and drink. I'm not supposed to drink. Say, no, I didn't drink. I'm not supposed to drink. That's called spiritual. And once you get into such problem, to such temptation, you will get into so many other things. Therefore, the first we have to learn is to defend ourselves, to say no to certain things which are not good. There are so many things around us which are good, and even we don't know how to make use of them, they may be bad. It's a temptation. We are, let me say in the Christian way, we are Christians. We read the Gospel of St. Matthew. Jesus was tempted. The devil said, you turn the stone, become bread so that you may eat. The Lord said, no, don't tell me. Then the devil took him up, you throw yourself, God will protect you. He said, no. 3-4 times Jesus no to that temptation, and the end the devil went away. So also in life, all of us, maybe children, maybe adult, whoever it may be, we will always face this spiritual temptation. It may be from people, it may be the things, the books in there, the thing that we see, media, could be that. It's good, but depends how you see it. It may become bad, and it may be led astray. There are first part I want to put, I think, to what our friends will be showing us. Secondly, the physical enemies we see there. Maybe your friends, or somebody else from outside that comes to do something that destroy you. I said, no, you resist. Your mind must be strong enough. No, I wouldn't. Then your physical body, as you will see, to show how you defend yourself. I think these are very, very important for all of us, and especially for you. Since we made this program for you, dear children, dear girls, we need to learn to defend ourselves. So we are grateful to the association. Thank you, DMC, for bringing this program here. I hope our children will learn, and for us too, even teachers will learn how to defend themselves.
Mendo kata tahu atau gini program atau kawan kami gini segi atau program UMK mah siapa atau siapa UMK mah yang betah gini program kami ini lihat ke West Jentia Kartedo Station nedo mencuba cenai kesanjung ini kuai promote jadi karte kami sport gini distrik kami haji por lah Jinghikai kamu Ïada di negara ketin karate TV to wan gan ketin Japanese wo ongi MT-han umut wo Ïada di nonong chon wa klem gitar umut dekti te I snyau to ke buram go kro ko ila yo i bentalang ne ni ta tengah nungkong i dap de jisyang mo i kro yak office yang ga DMC SSA juai da em ga kam ni ga program hay wo i hikai i kena school kam tam ni kena ngai hay to ga self defense wa em kama do kata ne ba yu ito hakaleng ga partai kam tam wad ha district ang ila jingjia gi upun ki ba kena kan thai cha le ben cha penja burom gi haki cindra.
It's not just about kicks or punches, it also teaches you discipline. Number 1 is discipline, number 2 is focus, 3 is awareness, and 4, confidence. Okay? It teaches you to stay calm and to use your mind and to know your strength. Okay. In real life situations, when there's harm that happens in real life, sometimes we panic. We don't know what to do. And that is a natural response. It's called the fight or flight response. You couldn't do what to fight or to flight. To yudima. Sometimes we freeze. And that is why self-defense and karate will make a huge difference. Because by training ourselves and our bodies, mantas ni practice training build muscle memory. Muscle memory is not muscle memory. Your body, you train your body. So when things happen in real life, you don't have to think twice, you don't have to use your mind. Manda train, through your muscle memory, you're able to use your body to fight, to defend yourself, and then to walk away and run away. Okay? So, we will be showing you some demonstration, some basic techniques, and I want to say before I end this, that self-defense is not about violence. It's about being ready, it's about readiness, awareness, and knowing your ability and your strength.
Kala,
Yan sana!
Ajme. Yeah. Yeah. Aga, Chura, so. Ajme.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.